Well, when I first started ghosting people, it was because I couldn't stand them. Couldn't stand to listen to them go on and on. It was the lying. Yeah, it was scary. It's on the roadmap. The product will do this one day. I don't want screenshots from a product that doesn't exist yet. That's spooky. Creeps me out. I want to see the product. Why is that so hard to understand? Turns out there's a lot of people just like me. They love to ghost salespeople who aren't delivering. You could say I'm a face in the space, a ghost face. If you, little joke there, he gets it. And I've been lucky enough to become a bit of a thought leader in the ghosted space. I have a community, Let's Ghost, salespeople, big following online. I'm actually about to release my first single, I'll Be Ghosting You. I'll be ghosting you, vanishing thin. I guess it's a homage to all the prospects out there who just want a product demo. If salespeople aren't using Storylane's interactive product demos, ghost them. That's my message in the song. No more calls. Scary being a prospect. Much less scary with guided demos. I'll tell you that.